The universe is vast, and you are very small. You stand at the threshold of the real world, represented here by this massive educational institution. You have lived in a safe bubble of lectures and canteen breaks. But time acts as a one-way street. While you understand the theory of how the world works, the practical engine of business is a complex machine you don't quite understand yet. And frankly, it is terrifying. The clock transforms from a tool into a tormentor. Tick, tock. Reality hits you. The deadline. Campus interview in 10 days. Night falls, but rest does not come. You stare into the dark void of your ceiling. And the void stares back, asking, "Why didn't you prepare earlier?" You retreat to the library, a sanctuary of order. You navigate the shelves until you find it, the Zoho Self-Learning Handbook. This isn't just a book, it is a map. It turns the scary, complex mess of the corporate world into bite-sized data. Your brain chemistry shifts. Panic is replaced by focus. You apply what you learned. And finally, success. The green check mark. The world is still big, but you are no longer small. You are prepared.